Anyway, here we are. It is Sunday. I don't even know what day it is. 28th maybe, something like that, of June. Normally this place would be absolutely packed with reenactors, but the reenactment has been moved back to August. Ooh, Indian, yeah. So here's the scoop. Gettysburg Bike Week, as you know it, at the All-Star Complex has been canceled. Jam On Productions and some other venues around here decided to keep going and hold events. So the deal is, you could text the word REMIND to 57838. 57838, word REMIND. You'll get another text message back real quick from Jam On Productions asking you to confirm that they can send you text messages and data, blah 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 blah. Say yeah, accept, all that fun stuff. I haven't gotten spammed. Okay, so they're gonna text you just a couple days before the event. So not this week, the next week. And they're going to tell you where the event is being held. Anyway, Jam On Productions is still going to be bringing in a lot of good vendors and stuff and putting together a bike event for that bike weekend.